Hey people, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get access to ChatGPT plugins. So to access on ChatGPT plugins, you have to first subscribe this ChatGPT 4 version. After that you can get access on the ChatGPT plugins. So in this page, you have to go to your T-line option here, then go for here three-dot option. Now you can see the settings option here. So after that, you have to go for settings, and in this option, you can see this is like this beta features. So you have to go for these plugins and turn on it. Then you have to um, select the plugins beta option. Then after that go for plugin store. Now you have to uh, install your required plugins and you can access to it and you can use it of your uh, plugins. So that's it. This is how you can access on ChatGPT plugins. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.